Hello guys, welcome to my channel Internet Journey. So in this video I will tell you 5 types of Google searches you shouldn't trust blindly. Almost everyone depends on Google for looking up facts and information on any topic, but since Google doesn't verify every link, it's not always wise to trust the data it gives you. Google's algorithm like PageRank have got better at accessing expertise and trustworthiness of a website, but the wrong information can sneak in, or we as readers can make mistakes in interpreting the search results. Some topics need expertise, and that's why it's always better to read with cautions while exploring these 5 search results. Number 1. Medical information. We don't have to live in a world of uncertainty when we are not feeling well. Google allows us to instantly diagnose our symptoms. However, there is a reason behind that. Don't trust Google signs at your doctor clinic. Most of the doctor clinics have these signs that don't trust Google. Medical sites don't have access to your records, therefore they end up suggesting all the possible causes and treatments for a symptom not specific to your case. So while fever is technically one of the symptoms of cancer, it doesn't mean you have it. You are almost likely suffering from just a common cold. Hence, you should undergo a proper checkup and consult a real doctor before reaching a conclusion. Number 2. Financial advice. Taking care of your finances can be a demanding process, but Google is the last place from which you should seek advice. Google Treasures of Data is at best a supplementary resource for your financial research. On a search engine, you will come across a range of opinions and articles which might mislead or could your judgment. A straightforward query on a particular investment will surface plenty of links, and it will be difficult to select which one offers sound guidance. Hence, you should stick to more credible financial research platforms and not a search engines like Google to base your ultimate decisions and understand market trends. Number 3. Conspiracy theories. Another topic you should stay clear of on Google is conspiracy theories. Controversial arguments tend to drive the most traffic online. Some websites exploit this by talking about theories that would fetch more clicks and stimulate conversations. Google is home to the internet's wildest stories, which often rank high just because they are popular. You will find enough evidence to convince someone, and that just within the first few pages. You don't need to go down the rabbit hole. Number 4. Breaking news. Misinformation runs rampant on the web and like other online platforms. Google too has struggled to get a grip on the spread of fake news. The issues effect magnified during a breaking news event. In such scenarios, the details are scant, which gives rise to rumors. While Google has safety measures in place for tackling misinformation, they often don't kick in immediately. By the time Google takes a false news piece down, there's a good chance it has been read by millions of people. When you fire up Google right after there's a breaking news alert, you risk running into speculation-based reporting. A better alternative is to directly browse specific news sites and sources you trust instead of Google. Number 5. Chemical-related queries. While you are dealing with chemicals, even a minor error can prove fatal. Therefore, if there's a chemical-related details you aren't sure about, turning to Google search might not be the best way forward. Google is known to host a range of contradictory data, and deciding which one to trust can be a challenge. Like medical platforms, chemical sites don't have access to your circumstances and environment properties like the room ambient temperature. This applies to the use of chemicals in scenarios outside of the lab too. For instance, the debate concerning whether the presence of chlorine in swimming pool has an adverse on your health has divided the internet for ages. As an alternative to Google, you can check out the official websites of chemistry boards and associations. And also another thing, don't trust Wikipedia facts either. One of the biggest misconceptions about the internet is that the information on Wikipedia is always accurate. That's far from the truth. Most of the Wikipedia's content is crowdsourced and can be edited by anyone. Contrary to people's belief, the site doesn't have a team of human curators who fact check everything. So while Wikipedia is harmless as far as basic facts are concerned, you should verify what you find there with other sites that are more reliable than Wikipedia. I hope you like this video and share it to your friends, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel for more videos.